Welcome to you all talented students of 12th Math in Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the pattern CBSE board. In continuation to the previous videos, I am going to start to solve the few remaining question under exercise 6.03, that is question number 26. In this question, you have given slope of the normal to the curve. We have to find out the slope of the normal to the curve, that is y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at the point x is equal to 0. Or in other mathematical terms, you have to find out minus 1 upon dy by dx at x is equal to 0. For this purpose, we will differentiate this equation of the curve, that is y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x with respect to x, or you may say dy by dx 2x square, that is 4x plus 3 sin x means cos x, or dy by dx at the point x is equal to 0 is equal to 4 x means 0 plus 3 cos x means 0, or this is 4 into 0 means 0, cos 0 means 1, this is 3, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Ultimately, you have to find out the slope of the normal. Hence, slope of the normal, that is minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x is equal to 0, and this is minus 1, and what about dy by dx at the point x is equal to 0, this is 3. Hence the requisite answer will be equal to minus 1 upon 3, and according to question the part is equal to d. This is the requisite answer of the question. Here in the last question of the exercise 6.03, that is question number 27, you have to given the equation of tangent to the curve y square equal to 4x is given y equal to 2x plus 1. Here equation of curve is given and equation of tangent is also given. This is the equation of curve and this is the equation of tangent. And you have to find out the point of tangent. Find out the point of tangent, that is at what point the equation of tangent to the curve this is equal to this. In order to, we have to differentiate the equation of curve, that is 2y dy by dx, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4, or dy by dx is equal to 4 upon 2y, 4 upon 2y, 2 is 4 is cut by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, that is 2 by y. But from the equation of tangent, from the equation of tangent, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 0, that is 1. Here from the equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get 2 upon y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Then by substituting y is equal to 2 in the equation of curve, by substituting y is equal to 2 in equation of curve y, that is 2 square, is equal to 4x, or 4 is equal to 4x, or 4x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. Hence the point of tangent, hence the point of tangent is equal to x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. 1, 2, and we have given this, the option of the answer A. Hence the requisite answer of the point of tangent is equal to A. This is the requisite answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.